Hey everybody, Lewis here, Rshackbbq and other things. I don't know if you can tell, we got snow. I mean, it's cold. It's probably about 32 degrees out here right now. It could snow tonight. But I want to do a cook. And I want to do a cook up on the PK 300, all new. I got something in there that just came in for it. I'm going to do up a tri tip. We're going to reverse sear it. And I got this product in here that I'm going to do it up on. Let's go in there and take a look at it.
Regulators, mount up.
Ooh, kind of a cold night out here. It's probably about 32 degrees. Let's get this propane heater fired up. All right, got the gas turned on. Slowly. Hold it for a few seconds. Sure our flame's going good. Let's turn it up. Ooh. Feel the heat already. Hopefully it warms it up in here pretty quick. Oh, got a package over here. I'll show you what's in it. All right, we got a box here. I ordered this from Grill Grates during what's called Black Friday here in the States. So the day after our Thanksgiving, and a lot of stores and businesses do discounts and put things on sale. So I went ahead and waited, and I think it was 15% off is when I ordered this. But what these are should be the all-new grill grates. Boy, I can feel that heater already kicking on. Look at there, fire starter, yes. All-new grill grates for the PK 300. I can't wait. And then one nice thing, these are kind of cool. The other thing, they were running a special. If you order any grill grates at the time, they sent these here. Big old grill grippers that fit in the grooves. Got another keep my knife closed. Yeah, look at those. Aren't those kind of neat? It says grill grate right on it right there. Got those for free. Very cool. So yeah, let's take a look at this. So I ordered the all-new PK 300 grill grates. They were $86. Then they sent me the grill tongs for free. And then I used a coupon code, and like I said, it looks like it was 15% off. Basically paid for my shipping, but the total was $84. So I saved $2, and I got a free set of tongs. That's awesome. And some fire starter. Set that aside. Of course, like always, it comes with a new grill grate. Spatula. Like always, it comes with a new grill grate spatula. Nice. And then just move all this stuff aside. Comes with some booklets. Keep lid temperature below 650. To avoid warping of the burning of the grill grates. I've never known that. I thought they could handle the heat. It's kind of neat. All the stuff that you can get for it. That little hanger, that's cool. Wow, might have to get me one of those. That's kind of cool. All right, so got it all wrapped up in here good. Let's see what we got. So it comes with two sections. Like that. So there we got it. Let's see how it fits on the PK. Here's the original grates. Get these off because you don't use these. My understanding is you don't use those when you use the grill grates, but we'll see. We might have to set them on top because, okay. So we can do something like that. Let's see how they fit on top of the grill grates, because I thought they didn't go on the grill grates. But I may be wrong. So we'll set this on there, put our adjustable one. All right, so we're going to do it something like that. But basically what we're going to do is I'm going to spray these down with some oil, and we'll get our fire going. Man, that thing's putting on some heat. That feels so nice out here. Anyway, like sidetrack. I'm going to get my coals going first, and then we'll get everything going here. So, grill grates for the PK300. They're a little bit smaller than I thought. I thought they'd fill the whole thing and you wouldn't have to use the bottom grates. You can, like I showed you, you have these lips here on it that you can set them on. So right now, okay, right now I'll move this over here. So you do have these little lips on here that you can set these grill grates on if you wanted to just run them by themselves. Like that. But then you have this big old gap over here. But, let's see here. My plan, I'll probably run it like that. That'll probably work. Yeah, I think we'll just do it that way. Anyway, let me get my coals lit. For this tri-tip, we're actually going to do let me get this vent down here open. Them both open. We're going to actually do a reverse sear on them. So I got a couple of tumbleweeds there. Got my lighter. Get those lit. Then I have my mini chimney. We'll get those started like that. Okay. So like I said, I'm going to do reverse sear. We're going to let these come up to temp. Open these up a little bit. We'll get them dumped in our charcoal basket. We're going to move our charcoal basket over here. We're going to start out on the indirect side. I'm going to put my meat stick in it so we can monitor the temp. When it gets to about 110, we're going to take it off and we're going to reverse sear it right over the coals. The grill grate should be hot enough at that time and it should work out great. All right, so let's let this come up to temp. This is a 2.5 pound tri-tip choice that what I did is I put olive oil on it and then I seasoned it with Grillaholics SPG, salt, pepper, and garlic seasoning. Now you can find this on grillaholics.com, and if you'd like to order some, be sure to use my code Rshackbbq and you'll save 20% on this and anything else that you find there that you want to order. I'll have a link down in the description, so just go over and check out their fine website. All right, looks like our coals are up to temp here. Let's go ahead and get our gloves on. Let's take this out. Slide the whole basket over. Just get it dumped down in here. Okay. Hope that's enough coals for the night. Should be. Get this set back out of the way. All right, and what we want to do, put this on here. So, let's get our grill grates on there. Okay. Go ahead and close that lid up. And let's let this thing come up to temp. Got the vent over here. I'm gonna have it so I can put a finger in it. Got the vents on the bottom wide open, so got this one just barely cracked because I want most of the heat coming up over and out. So yeah, let's let her come up to temp. That heater's doing awesome, guys. That is so impressive. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and put our tri-tip on here. Put it over here, like so. We're going to take our meat stick and we're going to stick it in here, all the way up in there, like that. Get this about right there. We're just going to let it go. We're just going to let it go. Probably be about an hour. So we'll check on it here in about a half hour. Okay, we just flipped it over. We're going to let it go for about 10 minutes and then we'll start searing it. All right, let's check these out. See what we got going on. See what we, no, that's beautiful. A little sear on it. So what we're gonna do here is I'm gonna pull this down this way. Okay. We're actually going to separate these because I want to get a good sear on this. Temperature wise, it says the internal temp is 110 now. So I'm going to take this out. Got my meat stick out. Then I'm going to take the grill grate here. Can. Corner of it. See if I got this. Okay. Set that there. What we're going to do is we're going to take this. We're going to set it right there on the coals. I'm going to close this up for a minute. Beautiful. Let's take it out, get it wrapped up in some foil. We'll let it rest. Let's unwrap the tri-tip here. Take a look at it. Look at those juices. That great. Look at that. Look at that paint. Look beautiful. All right, let's cut some more of this and then we'll sample it. Take a look at that. All right, let's take a bite. Wow. Tri Tip. Tri Tip, you can't go wrong with Tri Tip. All right, let's talk about this real quick. So you saw how I did that. I fired up the PK grill using the indirect method, put those new grill grates on it. I wish I could have got them up a little higher in temp, but just ran out of time tonight is really what happened. I seasoned this with that Grillaholics SPG. Oh man, let me tell you, that is some good stuff right there. Such a beef flavor to it. A little bit of garlic. You can get that salt, that pepper. So good. Like I said, I'll have a link down below where you can get you some of that and save yourself 20% off. So after I seasoned it up, I just let it sit in here and rest for a while the grill came up to temp. Once it was up over 200, I went ahead and put the Tri Tip on there on the indirect side. Stuck my meat stick in there so I could monitor the temp. When it got up to about 90, I went out and I flipped it over and let it go. Then when it got up to about 110, I took off part of the grill grate and just left the standard PK grill grates above the charcoal basket, and then I seared off the Tri Tip on it. And then once I had a kind of a nice little bark to it, I wrapped it up in foil, brought it in here, let it sit for, it's probably been sitting here for about 15-20 minutes. And this is what we got. A lot of people would almost say that's perfection. So, like I always say, you can do this too. It's not that hard. Thank you for watching. Until next time, my friends, grill on.